In this video, let us learn about volume of a cuboid. Now, before we go into the volume of a cuboid, let us take this cuboid here, which is denoted by letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Now, this horizontal line is the length, this is the breadth, and this is the height. Now, in the previous videos, we did learn about the areas, the area of a rectangle, square. Now, if you take this cuboid, the area of this cuboid would be just the two-dimensional space that it occupies. That is, say for example, it's just these red closed figure. The area of the red closed figure that it occupies is the area of this cuboid. That is, you just have to do length into breadth, and there you get the area of a cuboid. That is, how much two-dimensional space is it occupying. But then when we speak about volume, we have another dimension that comes into the picture. That is the height. So now what happens is, you need to find out, or first of all, the volume is nothing but the space the whole cuboid occupies. The whole cuboid occupies not only the base A, B, C, D, but the whole cuboid. The kind of space that it occupies is the volume of a cuboid. Another way to put it would be the capacity of this cuboid to hold something. For example, how much water can it hold, or how much anything can it hold. That is the volume. So how do we find the volume? It is nothing but length into breadth into the height of the cuboid. That gives the whole space inside the cuboid. So this is called as a volume. So let me brief up the explanation. Volume is the space occupied by the cuboid. So volume is equal to length into breadth into height. Or, as we know, length into breadth is the area. So we can say it is the area into height also. But the general way to denote volume is length into breadth into height. Now, let us go about learning another type of cuboid where all the dimensions are equal. The length, the breadth, the height are equal. That kind of a cuboid is called as a cube. This is a cube where the length, breadth, and the height are equal. So it is all L, L, and L. So the volume of this would be, now this is cuboid. So the volume of a cube will be L into L into L, which is nothing but, it is the volume of cube, which is L cube. So the volume of a cube is L cube. Also, using this expression, that is V is equal to L into B into H, we can also derive other expressions from this. For example, we can find the length of a cuboid when the volume, breadth, and height are given. That is L equals V by B into H. Similarly, we can find breadth and height when the volume and the other two measurements are given. So this is a summary of volume of a cuboid and of a cuboid when all the dimensions are equal. So that is a cube.